Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to get a refund if you got a block in a transaction on PayPal. If you got a block transaction in PayPal, if you want to refund that money, you go here to their application and you need to delete the receipt you sent. Like if you send a receipt of pay, you need to delete that receipt and say to the other person to delete the receipt too, to cancel the transaction, and you can get the refund of that money you got blocked. So you need to say that person delete the receipt, and you too need to delete the receipt. So if that not fixed, is that solution is not fixed the problem, you need to wait like a few days or a month, maybe depends of PayPal and the service, the support service of the app. So this is the two chances and the two solutions. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.